Hello everyone, welcome back to my video journal during the COVID-19 situation. Well, today is the 7th of April and it is Tuesday. I don't have a class today, so this morning I am going to do the laundry. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my laundry like on campus. And it's gonna be very quiet, like not a lot of people because I am actually the one like living here right now, like in this building. And normally when I go do my laundry, I have to wait, like because there are many students or like who use um, you know the laundry machines at the same time, so I have to wait. But I am pretty sure this time I would get like a private time to do my laundry for sure. Okay, we'll see. So it's the dorm door, the main door. Okay, so the laundry room is just like across this building. If you notice the stair over there, you can just see it. So this is Beeson Village. I live in Chihuahua. As you can see. Oh, it's a night weather here today. So right now I am in front of the laundry room. This is the laundry room. So you can see there are some flyers the student post over there, and it is the vending machine. These are laundry machine. See, all empty. And this is for drying clothes. After you wash your clothes, you can just like dry it a bit for 45 minutes. Okay, so right now I'm going to put detergent into a washing machine like this. Yeah, and then close it. I think everybody knows how to use it. I don't have to show you guys. But Dr. Lucas said showing instead of telling. So I'm showing and press start. So this will take 30 minutes. So right now I have to wait for 45 minutes. Drying my clothes here. It's very convenient. We don't have to dry our clothes like on the sunshine, just like I did in Thailand. Well, after I do my laundry, I think I would go take my lunchbox. I think I don't really have plans right now, and yeah. So basically, I just wanted to show you how like I live, where I live, and everything is quiet, as I said. You know, nobody's here. Yeah. So and I'm going back to my room. Hi. So right now I am at Anderson Hall. I'm going to Pearson Hall to get my lunchbox. And that is how I did my laundry. That is what I want to show, like how my daily routine life is just like that. Well, it's very sunny today. Like it's really warm. I love this weather. This reminds me of my country, Thailand. Well, I think that's all for today, and I will see you again next clip. Have a nice day.